Hi everyone, I'm Jaime from the DJI Enterprise team, and I'm excited to introduce our new generation of hybrid payloads. Meet the Zenmuse H30 Series, designed for unparalleled vision, day or night. This new series of payloads is the result of a journey that started 4 years ago with the launch of the H30 series in 2020. Back then, the payloads were an innovative addition to the DJI Enterprise portfolio, which introduced for the first time a 3 built-in sensor payload and enhanced features such as linked zoom, smart track, AI spot check, and high-res grid capture, boosting efficiency of inspection and public safety users alike. But we didn't stop there. Learning from the feedback from the H30 series users, in 2022 we launched the H20N, a solution that builds from already tested H30 series technology, but with an addition of a low light camera thanks to its starlight sensor. Yet, our thrive for continuous innovation brings us to this moment. The Zenmuse H30 series brings the best of its predecessor and more. So let's dive in what makes the H30 series a game changer. This all-purpose flagship payloads comes in 2 versions, the H30 and the H30T. It integrates 5 major models: a zoom camera, an infrared thermal camera, a laser rangefinder, a wide-angle camera, and a near-infrared auxiliary light. It's compatible with the M300 and the M350 RTK, and its sensor array makes it suitable for a range of operations including energy inspection, law enforcement, firefighting, wildlife monitoring, among others. Graded with the IP54 ingress protection, the H30 series is equipped to endure the harsh environments just as good as the compatible aircraft. The zoom ability has also been significantly improved, featuring a high-resolution 40-megapixel zoom camera with a 34 times optical zoom and an incredible 400 times digital zoom. Compared to its previous generation, the H30 series offers superb image quality from farther distances. Here's an example of the visibility you get of an object details even from 700 meters away. This results on an improved overall operational efficiency and situational awareness. Similarly, the wide-angle camera has been improved to 48 megapixels, 4 times more pixels than the H20 series. Brings us higher data quality for photo capture and video recording. When talking about the laser rangefinder, the measurement distance is more than double compared to its predecessor. Now we can pinpoint from a distance up to 3,000 meters. Now let's talk about the thermal sensor improvements. We have increased the resolution to 1280 by 1024, making the thermal resolution of the H30T 4 times higher than the one of the H20T. Additionally, we have upgraded the digital zoom, reaching up to 32 times. But it doesn't stop there. To provide a higher range of measurement, we have designed an infrared density filter as an optional accessory. It helps reflect or block near-infrared wavelengths, dramatically widening the range of temperature measurement. For instance, in the low gain mode, the range without the higher density filter is from 0 to 600 degrees Celsius. With it, it will reach up to 1,600 degrees Celsius. Apart from the normal high gain or low gain modes, we have added a new thermal gain mode called infrared high-res mode. This mode offers better video clarity for object identification scenarios such as wildlife monitoring, search and rescue, and more. However, please note that you cannot conduct temperature measurements in this mode. All the thermal photos can be processed by DJI Thermal Analysis tool for further analysis. So, you may ask, what about the night vision capabilities? As the slogan states, the H30 series provide unparalleled vision day or night. So let's talk about the payload's night performance. We designed the night scene mode, especially to improve the image quality and provide clarity when operating under dark light conditions. This option will have a simultaneous effect on both wide and zoom camera. You can turn off the IR light to get a full color night vision or turn it on to get a black and white vision. In the both mentioned situations, we're still depending on having a little source of visible light in the environment to get an imaging, such as moonlight or low light conditions. But you may ask, what if I need to operate in extreme dark environments? For pitch dark conditions, we're introducing the new near-infrared auxiliary light. This light can illuminate the camera view, but it's not visible by human eyes, making it especially helpful for discrete missions. Once turned on, the camera view will switch to a black and white mode simultaneously, and the auxiliary light will provide additional illumination to the zoom camera view. Now, let's talk about the new smart features introduced with the H30 series. Let's begin by saying that the H30 series includes all the smart features of the H20 series, but on top of that, we'll add 4 new features: high sensitivity smart capture, electronic dehazing, video pre-recording, and image stabilization algorithm. Now, let's explain them one by one. When using the high sensitivity smart capture, the camera automatically assesses the light intensity and dynamic range before capturing an image. Then, using image processing technology, reduces the noise to produce an optimal image regardless of the light conditions. Second, the electronic dehazing. The dehazing function features 3 control modes: on, off, and auto, and it supports 2 intensities, low and high, enhancing visibility in misty conditions and improve significantly the operational efficiency and safety. The video pre-recording option of the H30 series was specially developed for law enforcement users. When you're flying drones to support a tactical operation or recollect evidence, it is common to miss details that happen before we press the record button. Now, users can enable pre-recording on the app, selecting durations of 10, 15, or 30 seconds. With pre-recording enabled, normal videos will include the set duration of the pre-recorded footage, essentially capturing moments from before the actual recording started. Now, let's talk about the image stabilization algorithm feature. This allows presenting an optimized video quality when performing precise inspections, for example, power line inspections. When strong winds blow through the power pylons, the inspection targets such as connections or insulators will shake, potentially affecting the image capture. Using AI algorithm, this feature will identify the observed objects and keep them in center of the screen, allowing to complete inspection missions more efficiently and accurately. Last but not least, I want to emphasize DJI's commitment to meet the expectations of our most demanding customers, with features related to bolster our system with robust encryption, data controls, and privacy settings. Over 300,000 hours of work was already spent for data security related features, such as media encryption. In the case of the H30 series, you can set up a security password to protect the SD card access and the data inside, assuring data security of the owners. On the other hand, you can also clear the log with one tap, maintaining information confidentiality. As pioneers in the drone industry, DJI is committed to develop cutting-edge drone technology and encourage the integration of drone technology to new industries and applications. We hope that the H30 series can bring a better user experience and efficiency to your workplace. We look forward to see how this new sensor can empower users around the world to achieve the future of possible. Tell us, what feature are you excited to try on the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe to the DJI Enterprise channel for more information and content about commercial drones and its applications.